Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to build a Webflow website. Webflow is emerging as a popular trend among web designers who are eager to work on dynamic components for building highly engaging websites. Even though it is new technology, still a leading edge for the upcoming generation. With the help of Webflow, you can easily create an impressive website design without worrying about complex codes. So, without further ado, let's dive into the topic and find out how to build a Webflow website. Step 1. Sign up for Webflow. Start by visiting webflow.com and go through the website properly. After this, click on the Get Started, it's free, on the top right side to start building on the home page. Step 2. Fill up the questionnaire. Once you have successfully created a Webflow account, you will be asked to fill out a questionnaire. Here, you can choose a greeting name or specify your roles, like if you don't have a role, just tap on Other and continue. You can also specify whom you are building the website to. As a freelancer or as a part of an agency, you can also as a company you work for, your business or yourself. The next question will be based on your knowledge. Try to fill these questions carefully. As you will get started based on your responses, you will be asked about your knowledge of computer language such as HTML or CSS. If you are not from a computer background, it is suggested to tap on the first option, which is I am unfamiliar with HTML/CSS. At last, you will need to specify the type of website you want to build. There are various types of Webflow websites such as business sites, e-commerce sites, portfolios, blogs, and many others. Each one has specific options that Webflow will suggest for you. In this video, we're going to go through e-commerce, which is a part of a business. Still, e-commerce store websites are designed differently. The website may provide online shopping or retailing. Step 3. Select a template or a theme. After finishing up the Webflow questionnaire, you will be redirected to the template page. Here, you might be asked to learn before working. If you wish to learn, then click on Get Started, popping up on the top right side of your screen. It will look like a picture attached below. Moreover, you may find various templates grouped as new templates, free templates, e-commerce, and many more. If you want to check how it will look to the visitors, then click on the Preview in browser. Now, as you have selected your template, click on the Use for Free button. Step 4. Choose an attractive name for your website. Once you have selected the layout, now it's time to name your website. You will find a pop-up window. The heading is Name Your Project as shown in the screen. Step 5. Customize your website. Now from this page, your actual work as a Webflow designer starts. Here, you will find multiple editing options from selecting layout to adding content. Start by selecting the layout, elements, and symbols to add content for your Webflow website. To add elements to Webflow, click on the Add option in the sidebar menu. Now, hit the Element tab. Here, you will find multiple layout options. Select the most desired option and proceed with the next steps. Adding sections. Sections represent a layout element that stretches across the screen. This layout is basically ideal for background images, videos, and other content. Click on Add option on the left sidebar menu. The Elements and Layout section will appear. Now click on the Section tab appearing. Then drag the section that you preferred site location. Once you are done adding the section on your website, tap your section and use the right-hand menu to adjust the size and add contents. You can also add columns to your Webflow website. These columns are very similar to newspaper columns. To add a column, click on the Add option on the top side bar. The Elements and Layout section will appear. Click Column tab appearing in the Layout section. Then drag the column you preferred to your site location. You will find two columns automatically appearing on your screen. Here you can adjust the number and layout of the column. A grid is the Webflow series of blocks that contains ads, texts, photos, or other media. To add a grid, click on Add option, of course, on the left side bar menu. The Elements and Layout section will appear. Click on Grid tab appearing in the Layout section. Then, drag the grid to your preferred site location and you will find the new grid appearing with 4 new placed in a 2x2 formation. Click on the plus sign icon in the upper right corner to add another column if you want. And once you finish, click on the Done button in the Editing grid. Div blocks are the single box to place on the Webflow website page. You can add text, images, and other media. Click the Add button and then go to the Basic section, where you can find the Div block tab appearing on the Basic section. Drag it to your site and fill the div block with text and media by clicking on it and using the right-hand menu. The lists help you to group elements or content to make your website visible for your users. To add them, click on Add and then go to the Basic section and you will find the List tab appearing in the Basic section. Once you click on the list settings menu will appear where you can select your desired list type and list style. Then drag it to your site. To add more items, right-click and tap on the Duplicate option. And that's it. Here, you can fill your link block in the same way you did to div block. To add the link block, tap on Add, go to Basic, and then select Link block. Buttons are added to navigate users to the external website, another page or a section within your website. It also enables users to contact you. To add a button, click on the Add option, the Basic section, and then go to Button box. Headings are the titles of your website's individual pages and subsections. To add them, click Add, and then go to Typography section, and you will find Heading Box tab appearing in the typography. Drag it to your site, and you can also adjust headings font, size, color, and background under the Paintbrush tab in the right-hand menu. Paragraphs refers to the text with multiple images. Go to Add Typography also and click on Paragraph box appearing there. There are also text links which help visitors to navigate to an external website or another page. To add them, go to the Add option, click on Typography, and then select the Text Link tab appearing in the Typography section. You can also add block quotes, form blocks, drop-down menus, maps, photos, videos, and we will get to this into the next videos if you watch our channel for more. After completing your editing, step 6, select a hosting plan. For publishing your Webflow website, again, there are various plans from the starter businesses depending on different features. Generally, our project starts with a starter plan, but you can upgrade your plan at any time to create more powerful and creative website. The last step is to publish your website when you are satisfied with your site's appearance, accessibility, and optimization. Click on the Publish button in the right corner of your desired board. Still, if you are unable to find it, please look at the screenshot below or the screen. Creating a Webflow website for businesses of any size has become fairly easy and time-saving, even without any prior coding experience. Webflow is considered the full-featured website builder for all types of websites. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and watch our videos about other features to Webflow. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.